Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Hold on. What did I just do? Anyway, we're here. We are here, guys. New day, new London session. Yesterday I wasn't able to trade New York, so it is what it is. And I do have to update the stats page. 4.9 with 11 wins. Oh, sorry, 12 wins, which was 4.9. All right. Aviv, oh my God, good to see you, man. Good to see you. Good morning, good morning. How are you doing, man? How you doing, man? Such a good morning. Beautiful day. Sun is shining. So let's get into it, shall we? Our usual schedule. We still have relative equal highs on euro right here. Very juicy target in my opinion. On the 1 hour on euro. Took out, oh my God, almost relative equal lows here as well. Tempting. So we'll be looking on for that. On the 5 minute, it went down. Did we have any news? Yeah, we had some German industrial news or whatever. Yeah, we had some. Sometimes I'm better than that. Where, you know, if you're better than good, that's all it takes, you know. That's all it takes. If you're better than good, that's all you need, all we need. Okay, so relative equal highs up there, and so well, it took out some liquidity, this one, from the Asian session. This is New York, pre-New York AM session high. We'll see how it goes. We have NFP, so don't expect too much stuff happening. And this is pound here, here, here. Okay, I guess pound is almost like the same scenario. Look at that, took out the high, took out the low, almost like a seek and destroy. If I go to higher time frame, it went into the 4-hour bullish order block again during yesterday, popped right back up. Liquidity has been taken pretty much on both sides, so hard to tell what we're gonna do next on pound. Have to wait. Overall, still bullish. Yesterday we tapped into a daily bullish order block, so it reacted quite nicely. That can still be in place. We're in daily premium, so we're just waiting. That's correct. Okay, so on the 15-minute euro, still nothing. I would like to see it go and take out these relative equal highs. That would be quite a nice target. And look at previous day low. Was technically a relative equal low. Look at that. Down there. It's very interesting. I like to see that taken out. 94. I think it's gonna go up there. Yeah, I think it should. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Taking out those highs would be quite a good target in my opinion. So I think euro could take out yesterday high, and it would be just an easy step for it to take out those relative equal highs, but for now I think it is aiming to take out those highs from yesterday, pre-New York AM session, if I might say that. Pound, nothing. Let me change the music. And of course gold, good old gold. What do we see on gold? There is some buy side here. A little bit of buy side liquidity. Pranav, oh my god, good morning, good morning. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. How is your morning? Hope it's good. Hope you're doing well. Seems like euro wants to take out yesterday high. I don't know. Guess we just have to wait. Because it's actually a round number as well, as you can see. Miss Healthy FX is here as well. Oh my god, I just saw that. Good to see you, Miss Healthy FX. So we touched the 09 level, barely, but still have the, let me just state this out. The 09 level is right here. We touched it. I'm just marking it out. Still have relative, still have yesterday's high right above that. It should be good. I mean, the best scenario would be if euro would take out previous day high. And let me, there. So it would be the best if it would take out yesterday's high. Otherwise, pound is edging higher too. Last week's high is actually, it's quite interesting how it acts right now. And gold has taken out this buy side. Okay, buy side has been taken out. I'm gonna leave that for now, just for reference. So buy side has been taken out on gold, Euro, not quite much, but you know, we will see. We shall see. It's nice that it touched the 09 level, but I would be much more happier if it would have taken out the previous day high. Yesterday's pound trade, which I left the stream with, has been break even, but the euro trade has gone to TP1 and TP2, so that's that. So we're doing 4.9 journal wise. I haven't updated the charts on these silver bullets because it was so terrible. I don't even need the charts, it was so terrible. I will update it though, but I was too lazy doing it yesterday. I'm definitely not gonna do 5 silver bullets. I'm gonna reduce maybe to maximum 2 silver bullets per day or per session, I don't know. Yesterday it was crazy, and maybe I should put it to break even at half TP or something, I don't know. It was a tight spot actually. So yesterday I was over trading again. I don't mind, you know why? Because I realized that I'm an aggressive trader. I am, even in my private account. By the way, I just made a scalp while I was streaming on the euro to reach 09 on my private account. But believe it or not, I don't care. But actually I can show you. I can show you guys. So this is a live account, as you can see. I see markets live, and I just made a very nice scalp trade here. But I did not do it on the stream. So I'm doing lots of trades. By the way, I'm aggressive. But it was a nice scalp trade. Okay, for now, what do we have? Euro went into 09. Pound is up there. Looking for a kind of a reversal, maybe. Dollar index is edging lower. Got to love the dollar index. We're on the 5-minute chart, girls and boys. I would like euro to take out previous day high. That would be much more confidential. I mean, confident. No, that would bring me much more confidence to go short if there would be a possible short opportunity. Otherwise, I do not see anything. We might gonna be staying without any setup on the 5 or 15 minute during the London session, since everyone is waiting for an on-farm payroll. So don't forget that. Oh. Almost cracked my glass. Okay. Let's search for order blocks in the meantime. Now this is an order block, bullish order block right here. This down candle and this up candle here, this gray and this yellow candle. Is it yellow? I think it is. What's the color on this one? White. Navajo white. Navajo white. Okay, that's the color I'm using. DXP. DXP, a huge welcome for you as well. Thank you for being here. One day home. Assalamu alaikum. Guys, you deserve it. Push the like button, guys. You know the drill. Assalamu alaikum. So, this is actually a 15-minute bullish order block. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it made a structure break. Pushed price down. This Navajo white candle, that's the correct color name. This Navajo white candle and this gray candle. Sir, where can I learn serverless? Well, you know, it's very simple actually. Let me show you. You know, that's all you do. You just, you know, type it to the Google ICT silver bullet strategy. I mean, and then you will find like a bunch of videos about that. I mean, there's a bunch of free videos about silver bullet strategy. You know, if you just put it there, you find a lot of stuff about that. That's how I would do it. This is all silver bullet. This is not, but this is all silver bullet strategy, as you can see. So that's how I would do it. DXP. On YouTube, there's a bunch of information about silver bullet strategy, and I think in a much better way how I can maybe explain it here in 2 minutes. You should check out those videos. I don't have a course or something like that, and I don't want to be the 255th person to put on a video on YouTube of how the strategy works. But you know, I think if you just go through those videos, you will find some confluence there. You should be. Yeah, no problem, DXP, and thank you for being here. You know, so thank you very much for watching the stream. Drop a like, please, if you can. All right. So, bullish order block here. If I go down to the 5 minute, there is also a bullish order block on the 5 minute down here. So it would be interesting to see euro come down here into this area and then pop all the way back. I know there are some people who are trading the order blocks. I'm not really trading it, although I do have my journal for order blocks. Let me see. As you can see, the whole year I only took 8 order block trades, and 63% of them were successful. It's not my cup of tea. As you can see, my main setup is the classic FVG setup. I'm scalping as well. My scalp trades are the worst so far on stream, or which I'm logging. 40% success. The breakers are okay. The silver bullets yearly overall 67%. Hello, bro. Tell me gold strong selling level. Gold strong selling level. Hard to tell, man. It took out buy side liquidity, so that's good. If we go out to the 1 hour. No, I did not trade Sarvesh. I did not. I had to go to a doctor's appointment. And by the way, guys, since you're here, I'm just saying I might not be able to stream on Monday because I have to go to a doctor's appointment quite around the London session, and I have to go back again at New York session. I'm going to be having 2 appointments on Monday. Okay, so if we look at gold here and here, we're just around equilibrium. So 1 day home, it's a very good, strong selling opportunity on gold, but there's no setup yet. And be careful, because this 1 hour range can still be repriced. I would wait until the 62 level, so 19, 18-ish level. I would wait maybe to reprice. That would be a very nice optimal level, but it's up to you. But it's really looking good, you know, after it took out that buy side. But you know, not sure. I would not jump into a sell just now. I would wait if it would give a setup, or maybe it wants to edge higher, and then here it would give a setup, so be careful. Maybe it would just, you know, Thomas, oh my god, Thomas. And this is for Sarasky. So maybe this is the thing that's gonna happen. I don't know. So be careful until it's not giving you a setup. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to push the like button. And by the way, just saying it again, since we're getting a few viewers here, I might not be able to stream on Monday. I have to go to a doctor's appointment, to the hospital. Don't worry, it's all fine. Everything is fine. But it's gonna be in the London session, and unfortunately I might have to go back again because it's gonna be a minor surgery. Don't worry, it's just I have to go back again in the afternoon, so it's gonna be tapping into my New York session. So Monday is gonna be a little crazy for me. So there is like a 10% chance that I'm gonna be streaming on Monday, maybe 20, but most likely 10% chance. Just letting you guys know. I would like to stream on Monday, but health is first, guys. I'm not even gonna trade most likely on Monday because of this. Anyway, what we see is so gold could be a good one, a good short, but we still have to wait for, you know, a nice structure break here, breaking down this candle with the down close candle. I would like to see that. I would like to see that. Now the euro dollar is interesting because I might want to trade this because we are inside this bullish order block, 5 minute, also seen on the 15 minute too. So this is a 5 minute bullish order block, at least for me. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm really open for suggestions. And you know, also on the 15 minute, look at that. With this candle, this Navajo white candle, and this bullish candle could be it. And you know why I'm saying that? Because we have previous day high right here, and it has not been taken out yet. So previous day high has not been taken out. It's almost like a relative equal high. Could be a draw on liquidity, just saying. But the thing is, I don't know if I should enter or not. Maybe with a small position. Maybe with a very, very small position, I could enter. Do we have a range? 8 pips. All right. Entered. I have an entry, guys. gonna be having a TP1 just before, and this is gonna be an order block entry. So TP1 is gonna be 0898 based on the 5-minute order block. We'll see how it goes, you know, if it wants to take yesterday's high. And we're gonna let it run for TP2. Who knows, you know, anything can happen. Anything can happen. So this is solely based on a bullish order block and having a relative equal highs, and by not taking out yesterday's high. So that's my theory on this one. Bullish order block, 5-minute. That's all, nothing extra. If it takes me out, so be it. I'm not gonna be revenge trading on this one. This is just a regular 5-minute trade for me based on this order block. All right. Okay. Still have some time until market open. I'm hoping for EU to take low of the day and then move higher. You know, it can happen. It can actually happen. Take low of the day, which is right here, and then higher. Yes, 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 it can absolutely do that. It can do that. First of all, we have dollar index as well. As you can see, it was very close to take out previous day low. So I have to keep an eye on for dollar index as well, what it wants to do. Now look at that on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, look at the dollar index. We had the bearish order block, and so far it held price back. So quite interesting. So this was an order block trade. I'm not very good in order blocks, but the three main setups, my main setup is the classic FVG entry, the YouTube 2022 model, which is basically a trend reversal, you know. My second favorite is the breaker, and I'm still getting used to order blocks. These are the three main setups that I like to trade. So this is based on the 5-minute order block, and on the theory that we should take out yesterday's high, which has not been taken out. It was left untouched. We just tapped into 09, but we left yesterday high alone. And it also created like a relative equal highs. So I don't know. We'll see, I guess. Could be a coin toss, who knows. That's all we're looking for right now. Entry is, yeah. Oh yeah, well, so far so good. Still trying to decide if I should close it or not, depending on the movement. But maybe I should not, you know, meddle around or, you know, play with these entries. Once I enter the trade, I should just accept the risk. It's even less than 0.5% account wise, although I'm going to journal it as 1%. Even if I lose or if I win, it's going to be journaled with 1 complete %. so anyone can measure, you know, how we're doing. I'm gonna do the journal video on the weekend, so everyone would understand how the numbers come up. What I want to do is what's the entry? 0892. Uh, 857047. Oh, 47 there. So this is the trade right now. So far. TP1 is where's TP1? Let me check it. Hold on. TP1 is 089084. 089084. Oh, 8984. Well, $98.4. I just want to put an alert here. Okay, so that's TP1, 0898.4, and that's it. As for the other pairs, don't really see anything. No setups for me. Gold still didn't make any structure break to the downside. Excuse me. We're taking out buy side. We are at equilibrium level of this whole swing, this whole movement. I think it still has the potential to price a little bit higher to 1918. And guys, if you can, please help me to support the stream. Please push the like button. Thank you so much, and sub to the channel. You know, try to be here every day. Need the encouragement. Thank you. So this trade is solely based on the 5-minute order block and by the fact that it did not take out yesterday's high. That's the main theory. What do we have? We have relative equal highs up there as well. So we have some draw on liquidity higher. We're gonna take TP1 around 98. Actually, the EA is going to take TP1. It's not an A+ setup, so, but it's still okay. Okay. No targets for pound, by the way. I mean, I don't really see anything extra. No imbalance, only one, there's one imbalance up here on the hourly, and otherwise nothing really. So this movement was clearly a destroyer yesterday. Took out highs, lows. Now, you know, we're just hovering right there. All right, the euro is pulling back. It might gonna be a tough one. I entered early, by the way. Optimal entry would have been somewhere inside this order block, not up here. Actually, I wanted to enter here, but by the time I got there, it just went back up. So yeah, I wanted to get in here, but you know, who cares? I still have a range for 1-to-1. As they say, the entries don't have to be picture perfect, but your exits, those that matter. Okay, so that's it. Just waiting, guys. Patiently. Maybe it wants to take out yesterday high. Who knows? If not, then it is what it is. At least we know where Euro wants to continue. And you know what? If we are going to take a silver bullet... Oh, Wahab, good morning. Good morning to you as well. Wahab is here. Guys, Wahab is in the house. So if we're going to take any kind of silver bullet, I might just going to do like a 1 to 2 R. So we're gonna take partials and see how far it goes. That's what we're gonna do. So as I was talking about it a little bit earlier, as much as I analyze my trades and my sessions and everything, I am an aggressive trader. I do trade aggressively. So and it is something hard to come by and hard to fight, you know. Try to set down some rules, and I try to obey to those rules, but by being aggressive trader means that over trading is a problem for me. And I think my biggest problem is not with the technicals. I think I can fairly see the technical side of the charts and the setups. My biggest problem is over trading. As long as I see a setup and it's a little bit good, I just enter. Hard to pass by, you know, the FOMO kicks in, and I just start to overtrade, especially after some losses. And that's the hardest part. I think many of us are struggling with the same situation. And I did some backtesting, and I took out the trades. So I went to the journals. I went to my journals and took out every trade which I have taken after the first two. So basically I narrowed down all my daily trades to 2 trades, the first 2 trades. And basically I did at least the same or better when I was trading only 2 trades a day, according to my journal. It's very interesting. Very interesting. Now look at that. Euro is giving in. So that was a very interesting conclusion. And so that proves me many times that less is more. So if I would have taken only 2, maximum 3 trades a day, I would have been at almost the same result by taking many trades. Something that I have to take to accounting. By the way, this is also a 15-minute order block, so that also gave me a little bit of confidence. Alpha Bear, hey Tom, I don't mean to teach you how to trade, but I found out that if I only stick to SB times, I reduced my overtrading suggestion. Maybe try that, it might help. Oh yeah, my solution to the overtrading problem was to only trade EUGU, only trade longs, and only buy after the low of the day is taken out. I'm gonna try that for, yeah, well, Alpha Bear and Sarvesh, thank you. Those are actually, by the way, just, you know, correct me so I understand it. What is SB times mean? Just to know, to be, I mean, sorry for, I know I'm an idiot, but what do you mean by SB times? My brain is just so, I'm still sleeping partially. So, but FXMO, good morning. Look at this. FXMO is here, guys. He deserves it. I mean, yeah. I know a silver bullet. I was suggesting that, but you know, I thought that you're maybe SB times, of course. How stupid I am. Oh, I look like an idiot. Yeah, of course, SB times. Silver bullet times. I'm sorry, Alpha Bear. Don't worry, Alpha Bear. It's very simple. You just please don't push the dislike button, guys. Anyway, okay. A silver bullet time is still okay, but you know, if I just stick to the silver bullet time, which is great because it's a 1 hour time frame on the 1 minute chart, well, you know, it can be good. My main strategy and the thing I have back tested. Yeah, guess what? I passed my phase 2 yesterday, so I will be starting my funded account on Monday. Guys, huge applause for FXMO. Huge applause. Huge applause for FXMO. Again, congratulations. Congratulations there. Very nice job. Nicely done. Nicely done, man. So yeah, overall, as I was backtesting the London session, the London kill zone, and the New York kill zone, I have so much data sample sized from the past few years as I was backtesting it that 90% of my backtesting data came from the 5-minute chart and the 15-minute by backtesting the London kill zone and the New York kill zone. By taking only the silver bullet time, the 1 hour, you know, that 1 hour during the London session and maybe the New York morning, it seemed like a good idea, you know. So I guess we'll see. My forex funds, yeah, I remember that. Yeah. Well, you know, London is opening in 13 minutes, so that would be interesting. FXMO again. I congratulate you from all my heart. Not sure if you told it already. What kind of account you're trading? 20k? I think you said 20k or 50k. I don't know, but you know, whatever. By reaching this achievement, huge kudos to you, my man. Huge. Congratulations. Okay, now we are inside this bullish order block. Unfortunately, euro still wants to dig lower, and this is the 15-minute order block as well. Exchange King, huge applause to Exchange King as well, guys. You guys here again, and I couldn't be happier. So thank you so much, guys, for the support. Thank you, guys. Don't worry, I'm not going to overtrade the silver bullet this time. I'm going to take maximum 2 trades. That's it. Yesterday I recouped some losses by taking a which was it? It was the euro dollar long. I closed the pound with a break even, but this one went all the way to TP2. So this was a good one. This was a good one. Of course, it went all the way into the New York session, but it took TP2, and it was great. It was just great. Anyway, we're here again, and we're hoping to make some profits in the silver bullet again. Not like yesterday, but most likely that on Monday or Tuesday. Let's hope. Don't forget to push the like button, guys. Thank you so much. That's a good support for me. Look at that. We're still edging lower. So again, this is a 5-minute slash 15-minute order block. Unfortunately, we're gonna get out, but my stop loss is at today's low. So it might be the scenario that Sarvesh was mentioning, that we're gonna get out at today's low from here, and maybe then we'll see a reverse. My partial would have been up here. So we'll see. Oops. Pound is still undecisive, at least for me. Yeah, we're going down, unfortunately. So here's my stop loss. It's gonna take out today's low. Very bad news, very bad news. Yeah, we're very close. I think we're gonna take out today's low. But it was a small trade based on the order block. Didn't really take out yesterday high. Only poked into the 09. And I was really suggesting that this one should, you know, spike one more to take out that high. But, you know, it didn't. And for now, we're almost at stop loss. It's less than 0.5% on this account, so I'm not too much concerned about that. Did you watch? Yes, I was watching it. I was watching it, Jerry, and thank you for being here, Jerry. So when I was entering, I was watching dollar index, and it was around here. So somewhere we were around this area, right there. So it was edging lower, and we had previous day low right here. Yeah, thank you very much for being here, Geraldine, and applause to you as well as a first timer. So it was right here, and so I thought that, okay, this would be the chance. I guess we're out. Yeah, we're out from this trade. So I thought that this would be the chance to, you know, take out, the dollar index would be taking out yesterday's low, and you see what happened. Technically, it just, you know, turn around right before London Open. So that would bring us down to 3.9 and one more loss. Okay, let's journal it. 227. 227. New York time 227. In the London session, euro. I'm not good with order blocks. It was a buy on the order block. It was a stop loss based on the 5-minute order block. It didn't turn out well. Oh yeah, and it's yeah, so 3.9 journal wise. Not the best results. We had the best results in April, 16.2. April was good. May was all right, 10%. June was disaster, 3.4. Well, in July, we're still in the beginning of the month, so we're not doing that bad. So, not that bad overall, not that bad. Okay, we're definitely going to wait for the silver bullet. And let's see. I'm going to delete this. Market taken sell side liquidity on EU. Yes, definitely. Definitely we can say that there is some sell side that has been taken. So we're gonna account that as a possibility. So sell side liquidity has been taken here on EU, and we still have relative equal highs up here, so we could have a nice long opportunity, you know, right after market opens. We're going to be looking for that. Now as for pound, look at that. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but this last 5-minute candle made a nice structure shift. Look at this beautiful swing, structure shift, still has a fair value gap in daily premium. Have to be careful with pound. Look at it. Took sell side, took buy side, sorry. Took some buy side. GBP NZD. I can check it, but I'm not really trading it, so I'm not focusing on GBP NZD, but you know, we can check it. Yeah, there is a structure shift, and you know, there's some liquidity taken here. So if you want to go short on GBP NZD, you know, optimal trade entry would be somewhere around there. Could be fine, but don't forget, let's look at the 15-minute. 15-minute also made a structure break. Look at that. So we have conflicting signals, guys. It's a long opportunity on GBP NZD. And you know, if I would take my bet, I would say the GBP NZD is going to go higher. That's what I would say. On the 5-minute, it's technically almost good for a short, but on the 15-minute, it's good for a long. Also taking sell side. All right. Well, you know, we're going to be watching for that. On the 15-minute, there is nothing on pound so far. And look at EU, by the way. EU is interesting. Quite interesting. Made the structure shift with this, but it did not take out this relative equal high, so I would be scared to jump into a short. So I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. Buy side has been taken for sure. Gold has made a structure shift on the 5-minute right here and here as well. So technically, of course, I messed it up. So technically two market structure shifts here on gold with a displacement. Guess we have to keep an eye on for that. Someone wants to go short on gold. 15-minute chart. Have to be careful. We are in a 15-minute fair value gap right now. Right here. It just tapped into it. And What is pound doing? Not much. So I was watching dollar index before, and it betrayed me. Look at it, it was dropping, so I thought it's gonna go lower, then it just came back up. So yeah, that's what happened. Gonna be interesting. Markets are gonna be open up in about 30 seconds. "20 seconds, guys." Have to be on a watch for gold as well. It can be tricky. It can go spike up, you know, real easily. All right, guys, you know what's coming. You know what's coming. And silver bullet hour starting. Silver bullet hour. In the silver bullet hour, guys. Everyone is, you know. I'm scared, guys. All right, that's it. YouTube's gonna strike me because I think that sound is copyrighted. Already played it too much. All right, so everyone is scared. I'm gonna be real patient right now. The sound effects. Well, you know, since I think everyone is so intense about the silver bullet, you know, let's just, you know, spice it up a notch, you know, let's just get scared and frightened, and let's get emotional, and, you know, everything that is bad for us, let's get very, very scared. That's how we will do it. Anyway, I'm gonna reduce my trades on silver bullet for most likely 2 trades. Yesterday I made 5 trades on the silver bullet. That was too much. If I only would have taken 2 trades, I would be still around 5% journal wise. But that's it. You know, what can we do? So all we have to do is determine the draw on liquidity, right? So simple. It's very simple. We just have to decide where is the draw on liquidity. That's all we have to do. Nothing more. By the way, this might have been the silver bullet right here. I don't know. So that's all we have to do. Nothing extra, nothing more. Have to make only one decision. Where is the draw on liquidity? I'm opened up for suggestions, guys. Price levels on euro and pound. Where is the draw on liquidity? Because that's what we're doing. We're just searching. It actually took today's low. Well, did not take it yet. So we have to wait for pound to take. Okay, there you go. We took today's low. Now, next target could be the Asian lows. We're in daily discount array. And there is a sell side liquidity based on the 1 minute. There is some sell side. let's measure the distance. 5 pips, not too much. It's not enough, guys. Not for me, anyway. Okay, now look at that. Look at euro. Look at euro. Is this a structure shift? No, because there is no structure here. No swing point or fractal point, if you want to go with that. We would need a fractal high. There is none. The next swing is right here. If this candle would put a displacement, we could consider that as a possible entry. I mean, break level. Until then, it's nothing. I think euro is gonna go back and take out yesterday high. And so far, it's everything like Sarvesh said. 0886. Yeah, it has been taken out. It's a good call. Good call. Pranav, we need the information like 3 minutes before you type it out. I'm just joking, man. I'm just joking. So if you call for 86, please do it like 3 minutes before. It will be fine. Okay, now we have... Well, it's not a clear break, as you can see. It's not a clear break, not for me. Waiting for pound. Gold could be interesting. It can be a tricky one because it can be going up higher for repricing that 1 hour range. All right, now it's going back. I don't know. Technically, it is a structure break. Technically. But not technically speaking, it's a risky one. Should we take it? It's a structure shift. So should we go with it? Pending 0881. So this could be an entry right there. We have 6 pips here. So there you go. We have a pending order for a silver bullet. Technically, it did the structure shift on euro. Can we agree on that? Maybe. Yes. Okay, so the entry would be somewhere in here. So this would be our silver bullet trade for now on euro, if we're gonna get tapped into that. Let's see how it goes. On the pound, let's see the pound. The pound is nothing so far. Same line? Alright, man. Oh, you know. Interesting to see that euro actually is holding this fair value gap. I'm gonna put this here just to make sure if it's gonna go down, it's gonna get tapped. We're still in an optimal entry level on the 1 minute, so as long as it's not going, you know, up here, we're fine. It's still is matching to the criteria. So for example, if we would go up here, then the entry would be a little bit off. But for now, oh, look at that. Look at that. It's going away, guys. It's going away. The trade is taking off without us. Let's look at the pound. That's the pound. It's a structure shift on pound, by the way, just saying. Have to get prepared for a pound entry as well. All right. Let's see, what's this level? 27.38. For now, these are the two entries that are possible to go long. Euro is taking off and our entry is almost totally off. Let's see the pound. Recent swing. If I put the fib here, it's still okay, but I put it here. Okay, I think we might have an entry on pound. It's gonna be a risky one. I'm just going to put this here to optimal entry. This is the last level that I'm considering to enter. Okay, so far the pound is still having a nice entry there. Let's see. We have TP2 targets. Oh my god, we're in. It seems like Euro wants to get back in as well. All right. Just, you know, spicing up. As for Euro, look at that. Okay, so 2 trades, almost in 2 trades. It's gonna, I think it's gonna enter. It's gonna poke into. Yeah, we're in. Okay, so that's it, guys. These are my 2 silver bullets. I cannot take more silver bullets. That's the rule after yesterday misery. That's it. These 2 trades. So most likely, let's hope that the dollar index is gonna fall like a rock. That's it. No more trades. I mean, in silver bullet. These 2 silver bullets are the ones, and if it's just gonna go against me, then so be it. I don't know what else can I do here. On the 5 minute, yeah, it's looking exciting. Now both of these trades are gonna be oh, look at that, it's already going against me. It was technically a structure break, but you know, and it was almost like an order block on the 5 minute on pound. Not the perfect one, that's for sure. Not the perfect one. I don't like it so far, what I see. So 2 trades on silver bullet. Otherwise, I'm going up to 5 and 15 minute entries and continuing my regular trading schedule, you know, guys. Nothing extra. And don't forget to push the like button while you're here. Thank you so much. Still favorizing yesterday's high on euro, but I'm not sure if this one is going to be enough to go higher. Technically speaking, it was a change in direction, so I took exactly the same entry on EU, fingers crossed. Well, it is what it is, you know. Don't forget to take partials if you can't do that. You know how it goes.
I'm sorry. I couldn't resist.
I couldn't resist, you know. I love trading, so
I'm sorry. I couldn't resist.
I couldn't resist. Not looking good, guys. Not looking good, actually. I always say that, I know. Yesterday, I missed my TP with 1 tick. My system is 2R or nothing. You should take some partials, Sarvesh. Partials always helps you to survive. That's my personal opinion. Partials helps you to survive. So take partials, man. That's my first TP right there. If we can get there. What the hell is happening? Pound has started to go up. Wow. So let's see. You can't go wrong with partials, yeah. I take 50%, exactly the same alpha bear. I do exactly the same. I take 50%, at least. Sometimes I take 60 or 70% off at 1-to-1. I do exactly the same. I always take partials. And sometimes it's very rare when I don't take partials. It's very rare. I always take partials. Helps, it's not just good for money wise, but you know, it helps your mind to survive. You know, to take, if you have losses, the partial still helps you mentally to, you know, re-engage the market, or, you know. Mental capital is precious. Nicely said, Alpha Bear. Mental capital is like very, very, very precious. So, yeah. It really matters a lot. So I have to preserve mental capital. With my system, I've noticed that if it goes 1R, it usually goes to, well, you know, if you have the system, you know, if you have that in your system and you accept it, there's no problem with that. Then that's your system. And anybody who says you're doing wrong, don't worry about it, because that's your system. I'm just saying, like, I always like to take partials. So far, almost reached partial, by the way. As you can see, we were almost at partial, but it didn't really go there. So we'll see. We were at partial profit with only one tick away, and now it's turning against me on pound. The same thing happened yesterday, by the way. It was one tick away, and then it turned against me. Yesterday, the same thing happened. Man, it's frustrating to see that my TP1 was missed with one tick. This was 46.3. Look at that. That was my TP1 right there. That was my TP1 right there. On pound. Same scenario as yesterday. I don't know. We were in such a nice profit, but then it's just turning against me. Let's check gold. Now gold is interesting. You know, this could have been a nice silver bullet if you want to enter. Lots of liquidity up there on gold, so you can still consider it. I'm disappointed a little bit in this euro trade. The thing is that I think this was the silver bullet here, right here. I don't know. Who knows? We were in profit, but you know, but then I think I should just close it down. It's not looking good. We were so close on TP1 with the pound. Damn it. We're offside, guys. Offside, unfortunately, again. And TP1 was missed with one single tick. Yeah, we're done. Oh, wow, Dario again. Look at that. Dario, 300 again in the pocket, and we're just losing here. Come on, man. You should be giving us some info. You definitely know something. Come on, man. 300 in the pocket, man. Congratulations. You deserve an applause. There you go. All right. Well, Yeah, we're out. We're out. And the pound is out as well, I think. No more trades on silver bullet. Let's just wait for the pound. Took short on Euro USD. Very good. I think that was the correct move. I mean, let's look at the draw on liquidity here. It went back, then it made the structure shift. So that's why I think you did the right there. Maybe this candle, not sure. I just yeah, first TP was my entry. Well, yeah. I think you did right there. You did good. You did good. Nice trade there. Yeah, the EU was looking real good. And look at that. That's so frustrating that the GU just missed my my TP1. Let's journal it. So today we're down to 2.5 with 10 losses. Not looking good, guys. Not looking good. And I took this trade at 311. All right, 311 on euro. Let's journal it. Uh, 311 New York time in the London session. Took it on euro. It was a buy, silver bullet. Exited with a stop loss. Not good. So far the silver bullets are only 53% correct. So far, and it's gonna get worse maybe if the pound is gonna betray us. And look at gold. Tapped into this fair value gap here. What's the time on this one? It was in the silver bullet time, so look at that. This one was a nice silver bullet. Market structure shift here. Gold made it, guys. Gold made it. It's gonna take out this high, most likely, because it's gonna go back to the 1 hour and reprice some more, I think. But you know, there's no setup, so no setup there. And it also tapped into this 1 minute fair value gap, so have to be careful if someone wants to scalp gold now. Tony, hey there Tony. Market didn't take out any liquidity. Silver bullet, either liquidity must be taken out or there must be a fair value gap. Gold pair still bearish. Look, 5-minute chart, 220 US time, structure break with FVG, 220 gold. Let's look at it. $220. Oh yeah, 215. Still bearish. Still bearish, yes. Technically, if we look at it on the 5-minute, it's still a bearish structure. As long as it's breaking this high. It's not breaking this high. I took a sell at that FVG. Wow. Oh my. Look at pound. Pound is going down again. It's a real roller coaster down here, guys. So you took a sell. EUD USD. I can look at that. Dario, EUR USD is gonna give you probably another chances in a few seconds. Do you think so? Let me check. Yeah, maybe. It's forming some kind of a structure break. Fortunately, the pound is going down still. So the pound is going down, but you know, euro is still there. But if I would have entered gold, 12, yeah, I would be at TP1 by now. So if I would have entered the long on gold, I would be at TP1, that's for sure. Even if I miss my entry, so I would have entered here, stop loss here, 13, yeah, I would be at TP1. Definitely. Now it's taking out, so now it's turning bullish again, almost. We still need, yeah, gold pushing, Naga. Hey there, Naga, good to see you. Good to see you, man. Gold is pushing, for sure. So if it closes this candle above here, then the bearish move on the 5-minute structure is over. And we're back to bullishness. The question is, where will be, you know, the end? The end. Now, euro dollar is interesting. Yeah, so if euro dollar, I'm gonna buy position. Good luck, good luck, good luck, Naga. I hope you'll make it there. Have a fair value gap on euro still. So this would be a second entry on euro, but we have to wait for the 1-minute candle to close. Just closed right now. So this is the second entry on euro. Second entry. There you go, guys. I'm already breaking my rules, just saying, by putting this pending order in place here. This is a pound trade. This is a pound trade. Silver bullet. That dotted line up there is my TP1. Right there. That's my TP1. And we have a pending order on euro. Kind of a second chance entry. So we're in this pound. Partials are going to be taken at this line. I think we're going to reach that at least. Hopefully. Still waiting on that. Looks like a big winner to me. Well, at least we have some relative equal highs here. Some liquidity. It should take out at least the TP1. Hopefully. Hopefully. But it was giving me a sweat here. Definitely was look like it's gonna take us out, take me out. But so far I'm just watching for the euro, if we're gonna get an entry here or not. Well, there is a market shift right here, right there. There is okay, we're in the euro trade, guys. So this is very risky. Very risky. There was a market structure shift, a minor one. Come on, man, look at that. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. Crazy what's happening today. The week started so good, and now I'm just giving back all the profits. Raise up the market for good luck. Yeah. So I don't know. It's the whole week. The Monday was like a miracle, and Tuesday 7 winners in a row, and I'm just giving it all back. This is trading, you know. Now look at gold. Wow. Amazing. You just closed my gold. 5 pips profit. Wow. Nice. Congratulations. 5 pips is 5 pips. Especially if you made some good money. Yeah, oh, okay, Congrats. Everybody's making money and I'm losing like everything here. Yeah, no problem, that guy. I gotcha. No problem there. So far, my luck is turning down on the silver bullets. You know, I don't know. I don't know what's happening here. I would definitely need a winner. I would be happy with the winner. We're in daily discount, so I don't know what could be the problem here. Dollar index should be dropping, as you can see. It would be dropping down all the way down here. That could help us real nice. Some very nice sell side liquidity down there. So let's hope it will drop. And all of these trades are gonna go from now on with a full TP2, which means a 1 to 4 RR if we're good. Try to secure some more profit to reduce all those losses. So try to run for more profits. In the long term, it can work out. hopefully. So what is pound doing? Not much. Well, most likely every broker. You know, at many times, 1.5 is normal. I think it's at many places it's normal. So 1 pip on EU or GU is, you know, it's pretty much standard sometimes. It's not that big a deal. This is the buy side liquidity that I'm looking for right here. This one should be TP1. And let's see for EU. So hopefully we will get it. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, really? 2K Euro PC giveaway in your city. Wow, that's very good. Good luck with that, Dario. I hope you'll make it. I mean, that's very good. That's very good. That's like a very strong PC, like a gaming PC or something, right? That should be a good one. That should be a real good one. I wish you good luck, you know. Put stop loss on break even. Yeah, I can put to break even, but you know, if it goes down and then goes up, you know, my strategy, if I enter a trade, when I enter, I only put it to break even when I'm at 1 hour. Even if it takes me out, I only put it to break even when I'm at 1 hour. Okay. That's my TP1 right there on EU. I have to leave the charts for a bit. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Oh no, stop loss again. Come on, guys. It's just not my day today. Silver Bullet is not with me today. I don't know why what went wrong actually. But look at that. It's gonna take my stop loss out and then it's going to reverse. I'm gonna go crazy then. Pound is still in profit, but no more Silver Bullet trades. We're back to square one, guys, for the week. Yeah. Back to square one. Yeah, gold is coming back. Look at that. It was looking so nicely, you know. Pound was looking so great as well. And then it came all the way down. I was sure that it's gonna be such a nice trade, but you know, it's not. I guess it is what it is. It is what it is, boys and girls. No more Silver Bullet trades. I'm still watching the 5-minute charts though, but it's bad. It's gonna be a red Friday for me. Let's journal it. So this last trade was a I'm already reached my threshold, so it is effed up pretty much. It 334. All right, enter that 334. 334. Okay. I'm gonna add the charts later. London time was again a Euro USD. Guys, so far Silver Bullet for me is crap. I can say that for me it's just crappy. 50% win ratio, not good. So far, and we have 10 losses, 2.9. Not good. Not good. I think I just have to leave the Silver Bullet as it is. Look at that. Euro is going lower. Dario, yeah. Told you you're short, but you went long. Well, you know, that's it. Oh, I proudly stick to my strategy, and it is what it is. It is what it is, you know. Never let myself be confused. The problem is that so far it looks like a bullish order block, but still, yeah, the pound is gonna give in as well. Well, many people finding it profitable, which is, I believe it is. I think the overall problem is with me by picking up the draw on liquidity. But anyway, look at the 5-minute pound. It's a barcode chart. Why? Because it's NFP. And look at euro. Almost like, if we don't look at the lows here, look at this mess. So in this mess, it's very hard to determine a draw on liquidity. It's very hard, in my opinion, I think. I'm gonna still hold out for the pound just for the sake of it, you know, just to see. Yeah, I mean, I could have taken a short, yeah, but I'm sticking with my plan, and you know, I had stop losses 7-8 times in a row and ended up in a positive territory. I'm just sticking with it for now, and that's it. You know, what can you do? So far, I can say that the Silver Bullet is not my cup of tea. Started the week very strong, though, I have to give it. So it was very good. Otherwise, not so much. Not so much. Still in a positive territory, but How are we doing? We have how many stop losses? 11. Sorry. Yeah, we have 11 stop losses, not 10. Yeah, so 1.9. So we're in the positive territory. But, you know, it is what it is. All that matters is how we're gonna end the month or the quarter. Red weeks and red days are in the game every time. Every time. I do feel like the pound is gonna be dead soon. I hope I'm wrong. But so far it's not looking that good. Yeah. And there's no entry on the 5-minute as well, so we have 1 hour from the London kill zone. Not looking that good. Now, if I look at the 5-minute for possible short targets on Euro, where can it go? We have a sell side right here. 3 pips is gonna take it out. Maybe. Who knows? But it's very close. We have a sell side right there at 0870. You see, the funny thing is that my TP1 was so close, and the same happened yesterday too. It's typical Murphy law. Oh wow. Euro is acting weird. It's pulling down. Don't ask me why I did that. I thought I saw something here on the 1 minute, but I'm strongly considering to close it down. I'm just thinking in myself. No, it's not it. Oh, we got out from the pound. Unfortunate. Unfortunate, guys. Damn it. Damn it. Down to 0.9, 12 losses. So back to square one, just as we started the week. Let's journal it. Yeah, this trade was 310. Okay. Okay, so the silver bullets actually destroyed me. 310 New York, London session, pound, buy, silver bullet, stop loss, 1 minute, no. Okay, silver bullets are not my cup of tea officially. Down to 0.9. At least we are out from that range. Do we have an alert? Yes, let's delete that. And let's just put an alert here. All right. What a mess. Very good, you know. FXMO, that's good. You know, the problem is for me that I got detached to the idea, but I honestly, on the euro, I did not see a proper sell side. Only this one, but you know, if you're here and you take out this sell side here and here, then you know what can you expect? I was expecting that we can have a turnaround, which we had. We had market structure shift here, here, we had it here. I was very sure that, you know, euro can, you know, turn around. I'm not going to give up, don't worry guys. I'm not giving up on silver bullet. As long as I'm managing the risk in a proper way, so-called proper way, I can still hover around, you know. So I'm gonna go on with silver bullets, but you know, I'm not really want to go to 4-hour time frames and stuff like that. If you're trading on the 1 minute, the 4-hour doesn't really matter too much, in my opinion. Of course, we have this long wick, so consequent encroachment can be a nice target, but for a silver bullet, which is basically on the 1 minute, and of course maybe on the 5 minute. And by the way, let's look at the 5 minute. Okay, no structure break there. So now we took some sell side liquidity here on euro. Not too much, just poked into it, and there is a bearish order blocks thingy forming here. The EU trade you just lost there wasn't a market structure shift. Do you think so? I thought that it was, you know. That's could have been the problem. So here I thought, okay, let's delete that. I thought that, you know, with this one, we had some kind of a market structure shift. And the gold, I'm just going to lose it. I forget about gold. All right, let's close it. Lost the gold too. Damn it, guys. Okay, that's it for me today. That's it for me. I'm down to minus 0.1. And that's it. No more trades. I'm done. I'm done for the whole day, guys. I'm no trading. I'm not going to trade New York session, especially because it's NFP. So red day for me, and that's it. Finished for the day. Finished for the week. Ended up basically, technically around break even, but not so good. So yeah, I thought that this should be maybe a structure break, but then I should have realized that, you know, because this swing so yeah, breaks lows, then breaks the high of that leg. So if we're talking about this leg right here, this, in your theory, I mean, not your theory, I mean, it's originally, this would have been the market structure shift right here, I guess. Not this one. Well, you know, I should have waited for that maybe. I'm gonna have to do some research, definitely. Of course, Tony, of course. It's part of the game. Don't worry, guys. I am definitely not stressed out about this. It's just a little, you know, not even say that I'm upset. It's just a little frustrating that I thought that these silver bullets can make our lives a little bit faster and easier. But I'm gonna have to do some research about market structure shift. The last leg down was here. Let's go here. So which I'm referring is, so that's the one I was referring to, because it made a liquidity sweep right there. So okay, then I thought, okay, this is a structure, because I do remember that there was an ICT video when he says that as long as you see a fractal high or a point, then if that is broken, that is a shift in market structure. Okay, yeah, the first EU trade was valid. Right here. No, that wasn't, sorry. This was the last leg, and you know, this one, yeah, I know what you mean, this one. The last leg was here, so we should have waited more. I'm gonna take that into considering. Yes. I tried that, you know, but I was offside all morning. The other thing which is interesting to me is that we have these highs up here. I'm gonna take that into consideration, FXMO. Definitely I will. So this would have been the market structure shift right there. And what else? Here. Okay. Because this was the start of the kill zone. Let me put a line here. That's where kill zone started. And that's the 1 minute, of course. And here was the silver bullet time. First, this one, not a perfect, but it was a structure break. Maybe that's why it lost. I've been making same mistakes and losing a lot taking these breaks as market structure shift, but then I knew what an actual market structure shift was, which is making me profitable. Well, you know, it's good news. I mean, thank you for saying that, because I will definitely take into consideration by having these midterm minor structure shifts, so-called shift, into a lower probability trade. I mean, yeah, I guess I can trade it, but I have to consider it with a lower probability setup. There's always something to learn, guys. Always something to learn. Always something to learn. Euro, dollar, no. But you know, next week is new week and everything is gonna be awesome. And the weekend is gonna be awesome as well. Let me check something. In the long run, I totally believe you that. I mean I get it. This gold trade, I was looking for some bullish movement, but anyway, no worries. Oh, this was not even gold. This was oh, I didn't. Okay, I did not journal gold yet. When did I enter gold? Gold buy. It was a scalp for me. Stop loss based on the 5-minute. No. And we have 13 stop losses. Oh my god, it's terrible. Terrible, guys. Terrible, terrible result. Okay. Yeah, so it took out that sell side. And we have a fair value gap here for some liquidity purpose. Yeah, I definitely will do that. I always review my whole week, and I always try to journal my emotions, my feelings and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm definitely going to review that. I'm just watching what could have been the error. Let's go here. So this price leg down, okay. This leg up, it was all right, but this should have been the structure shift. Let's check it on the on pound. Let's check it what I did wrong on pound. So this was the start of the silver bullet. What I did wrong here. This was a market structure shift. Let's go. Let's zoom it out. Let's do some educational stuff. Was this a market structure shift? What do you guys think so? On pound. Market structure shift and fair value gap maybe? I mean, that's a fair value gap, I know that, but if I put the Fib tool right here, this swing, well, technically we're inside that fair value gap, so no big deal. Yeah. Yes. You could have got into dollar Swiss trade. I was alerting you about that. Well, I really thank you for that, Tony. I really appreciate that. But I'm not focusing on more than 2 pairs in this time, and that is pound and euro. So I know there's a bunch of opportunities on other pairs, but that would mess up my my trade psychology, and I'm sticking with 2 pairs. But I do appreciate it that you told that, Tone. I did see that you were writing about that, but I'm only taking my edge would only play out if I stick with my main pairs, because you know, I would have to trade dollar Swiss most likely every single day for a month to play out my edge, and who knows if, you know, the dollar Swiss trade could have been a loss too, and then it would mess up my trading plan. So, but I do appreciate it. That's why I did not took it, but I did see that you were right. So this is here. For example, I would have entered in the midpoint somewhere here. Let's go with a 1-to-1. My stop loss would have been somewhere here. and I could have taken 1-to-1 TP right there. So that's a 1-to-1. When I have a 1-to-1 range, I consider that as a possible good entry, especially because we had highs here, bearish order block, blah blah blah. So 1-to-1 range was okay. So that should have been a good trade. My only problem is I'm gonna zoom it out to you guys. Let me zoom it out so you will see what I mean. Market structure shift. This wick is my problem. So is this wick providing... I did not enter this trade. I entered the trade. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah, I'm gonna show you because my entry was a mess. So this here is only a wick. I know that ICT says that this is technically a market structure shift, but I clearly remember that ICT also says that only having a wick in market structure shift is a lower probability entry for a trade setup. The higher probability entry is when you have a complete up close candle here. That's the most highest probability, but the wick is always lower. But yes, if I would have taken this, I would have definitely be at least 1 TP, 1 profit. My entry, let's look at my entry. My entry was on the silver bullet. It was... where the hell was it? Oh yeah, my entry was... yeah, but this candle, the next one, this is the next candle right here. This doesn't count, I think. I think I was reading about that or watching some video that the candle after that, so this wick, so the candle after that one, even if it has an up closed body above this market structure shift, this doesn't count, because the candle that counts is the one that is breaking the structure, which is this. But correct me if I'm wrong. I do want you guys... I almost hit that. My TP1 was right here and my entry was here, and my TP1 was right up there. Right, my TP1 was off with 1 tick. It was 1 tick. Let me see. High was 27.46.2 and my TP1 was 27.46.3. That was my TP1. I was off from a TP1 with 1 tick. God damn it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Take it back. Anyway, that was my entry. One tick, and then I messed up everything on you. Actually, as FX Mo said, I think you're right, and I think I have to agree with you that my first entry was okay. Don't look at this. This was a completely different one. My first entry was here, right here. Technically, I would say this was correct, and this was a valid loss. I would say that this was a valid loss. My second entry was here, and now this was a complete mess. Because, as FXMO says, this would have been the market structure shift right there. I still have to look after this. The first loss was a valid loss. Sorry, which one? Yeah, this one was it. So let me show you guys which one I'm Come on. Let me delete these stuff here. So this trade right here, entering here and exiting here, this was a valid loss, technically. But the second entry, market structure shift, I have to look for it. I don't know, man. Now, for example, right now on euro, it's making a market structure. Okay, is this a market structure shift right now on euro? Let me look at pound just for a second. Okay, so right now, look at this, guys. We took some liquidity sweep. Is this a market structure shift? This is a leg down. It's not a silver bullet, it's just a 1 minute entry. Is this a correct market structure shift? Tell me, guys, because I really want to know. Okay. Yes, perfect example happening on EU. So this candle closed right now, and I'm going to enter for a revenge trade. Revenge trade, guys, happening right now. There. With only 10 pips. Okay, now let's check for, okay, 5. There you go. Revenge entry, guys. Revenge trading officially. There. There is my entry. Let's go. Okay, revenge trading initiated. All right. I don't think I'm gonna go through with it, guys. I lost too much. I'm gonna just watch it for a little bit, but then I'm gonna let it go. Revenge trading, guys, at its best. Let's win together. I'm not in a trade, guys, so. But it's a market structure shift. We can agree upon that, right? Okay. Perfect example, FXMO said. We're not in the trade yet, guys, so you know, if I put on the trade, that's the sound effect which I should put. So, guys, half risk on both. You can put 2 entries, one at the top of the one at the top, then one at equilibrium. Yeah, I can do that. So one here. I'm gonna put one here. That's double risk. That's too much. Don't worry, guys. Okay. I'm gonna go with just one usual risk. Love your energy. Thank you. Thank you, man. You know, I can't wait to play that sound when we enter the trade. You know. Anyway, we're technically having this. Yes, it has. So right now my entry is in that FVG, the higher one, not this one. If I'm gonna lose this trade, I'm gonna blame the market. I'm gonna blame the Lambo gurus, and you know, everyone else. No, don't worry, guys. I'm just messing. I think we're not gonna tap into that trade. It's just left the station for now. I don't think we're gonna do anything here. Yeah, you see, nothing to do here. Euro is taking off. I'm gonna blame FXMO. Yeah. Most likely we're not gonna enter into that trade. I'm pulling. Okay. Putting this here. Most likely we're not gonna have any reaction. You know, you're the funded trader here, you know. Okay. You know. You're the one who got funded, man. I'm gonna blame you. No, though, I'm just joking, guys. I hope you guys know that. Let's see if we get an entry. How cool is this? Let me send the text. Highly doubt that we're gonna get into. We're still in the London kill zone though, so anything can happen, you know. We can hope for a miracle maybe. On pound, I see nothing. Okay, then let's look at pound for a quick second. I'm joking, yeah. Let's look at pound for a quick second, and I do need FXMO's expertise on this one. FXMO, tell me. What the hell is this? What I'm doing? I guess you already know my question. Is this a market structure shift right there? Uh-oh. What's going on? Almost, guys. So, is this a market structure shift on pound dollar? What do you think? Because we have a liquidity sweep. We have displacement. Yes, that's a clear. All right. That's all I needed to know. All right. Very good. Now that's a clear market structure shift. I knew it, by the way, because I was seeing this candle closed higher than this. Yeah, that's a market structure shift. Right, let's go for gold. Guys, I'm testing you. What is happening on gold? So for gold, to have a market structure shift, okay, now FXMO, I'm gonna need expertise again. The last leg down was this on gold, this one. Just as I lost this trade, it perfectly represents this last leg down. So, what would be the market structure shift point on this? Would I have to wait, for example, for this one? Or this one? Which one would be, you know, which one of these two would be the market structure shift? The upper one, which pushed this leg down, or the lower one, which didn't really push a leg down? It's just an inside something. I don't know. Okay, euro is taking off. So, second. You mean this one? The higher one. The higher one, okay. So this one, the higher one, would be the official market structure shift after this leg down. Now see, I love this, guys. I love how we do this together. This gives me energy, it really does. Okay, so this trade is almost scrapped. No, Naga, no, yes. Naga is definitely confusing me. Okay, so this could be a market. This is not. I'm deleting this. This one is going to be the market structure shift. If it's going to shift market structure. All right. All right. All right. All right. I gotcha. I just wanted to make clear, you know. Okay, this trade, for me, I would take the lower one. And that's what I was curious about. You would take the lower one. I would take the lower one too, to be honest. But there is some good sound logic in what FXMO says too. The last leg down was created from this high. But then again, I clearly remember, and that's why I do have to do some research, that ICT said that this is structure here, and this is structure here. This is structure, and this is structure. Also, this is structure. And now this is going to be structure too. For EU, I think your entry should have above as create a new FVG. So this would be my entry. Right here? You mean this? Hell man, I'm gonna enter right now. I told you guys, revenge trading 101. Below. Too late. I entered. I entered, guys. Oh my god, I have entered. Oh my god. Oh no. Look at this perfect entry right there. I can't, it's just too much. I have another tone. Yeah, this is the one. No, I should stop for today. I'm here, guys. I'm here. I'm here. I just had a phone call. No, actually, guys, it's not. It's not my strategy. It's not my. It's not how I enter trades. So, I don't like the way how I treated this entry. I was joking it all over the place. So. Yeah, it created an FVG, so this is an FVG technically. So I have relative equal highs up there. Correct me if I'm wrong on the euro. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. You know, I would like to see that taken out. Maybe during the NFP. I don't know. But yeah. Three bullish can, yeah, but there's one below that. Yeah, but there's still one below here. I mean that, yeah. Could take it out. It's a long run from here, but looks tempting. And how much is that in distance? Let's look at that. It's only 20 pips. 20 pips on an NFP day on EU, guys. I don't think that it's technically impossible for even for EU on an NFP day. The problem is that, you know, we still have this very gap down here. You know, EU can still mess around. We have this long wick candle down there. Consequent encroachment on this one, very long wick. News candle, anything can happen. Should just close it down. On the 5 minute, I don't see anything which I like here. So I should just close it with a break even maybe. The pound is, I can get over pound. You know, on the 1 minute, no, not really. Yeah, I know scale fix. I just like the way it is, like this. Okay, now we had a structure shift on the 1 minute on gold. Now tell me, is that's a bullish order block, by the way, so I'm entering. There you go. Boom. There. Perfect entry. Oh man, I thought that it's gonna react for it and go back to go back above the structure. It's just a small trade, guys. All right, that's it. That's it, guys. I'm off. Break even for these two trades. Not logging those. Break even. I'm off, guys. Ending the stream because I started to overtrade. Thank you so much. I think this is it. I'm not logging these trades. They were rendered around break even, but a very bad day, over 2% loss, which is above my threshold, so very bad. Anyway, that's it. No more trades for me today. I was just messing around here a little bit. It still can go up, which I hope it will. But that's it for me, guys. Have to relax, have to reset my mind, and have to go back to study a little bit more. These trades are not logged and will not be registered. Okay. See you guys on Monday. Most likely I'm gonna skip the New York session. Never say never, but most likely I will. And that's it for now. So much support from you guys. Thank you for that. And you guys are awesome. I do have to say that I need you guys on the next stream as well. Thank you again. This was great. I might gonna start a new challenge next week on Monday. Monday. Oh, guys, sorry, FXMO and everyone. On Monday, I'm gonna be at the hospital. Don't worry, I'm gonna be fine. I just have a doctor's appointment during the London session, so I might not be streaming on London session. I have a small chance for that to do. All right. So not sure on Monday, but I'm gonna put out some posts on Twitter or the community tab here on YouTube. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for being here. Push the like button, subscribe to the stream. New challenges coming up next week, and you know, we're getting there slowly. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. You guys are awesome, and love you all. You guys are great. Push the like button. See you guys next week. All right. Cheers, everyone. You too, guys. You too. Wahab, everyone. Thank you, Naga. Thank you, everyone.